If you think the Indian stock market gave the most returns in 2021, you are sadly mistaken. Yes, the Indian equities gave a huge amount of returns, but if there is one asset class that takes away the cake for multiplying people's wealth, it has to be cryptocurrencies. Now, before I dig any deeper, here is a disclaimer for you. Through this video, I am not advocating investing into cryptocurrencies. In fact, I strongly believe that one should only invest as much amount in cryptocurrencies which he or she can afford to lose. Now, there are multiple reasons for that, be it the extreme volatility of cryptocurrencies or the fact that it's trading in an unregulated market in India. But this still does not take away the fact that cryptocurrencies have generated humongous amount of wealth for its investors. So in this video, I am going to take you through the major highlight of cryptocurrencies in the year of 2021. Let's begin. So in the beginning of 2021, if there was one cryptocurrency that was widely known, it was Bitcoin. And by the end of 2021, Bitcoin retained its position as the most popular cryptocurrency. The biggest and the most well-known token was trading at around $29,000 on January 1st, 2021. It hit a high of close to $69,000 in November, which is an approximate growth of 150%. But from those highs, it has plummeted by around 40% and it's roughly trading at around $47,000 now. But what was the reason behind such a huge and a disproportionate gain in Bitcoins? One, there was a tsunami of cash that started to flow into Bitcoin from well-known institutional investors. Two, Bitcoin gained a lot of recognition as well as acceptance from large corporations such as Tesla and MasterCard. Because of this, the popularity of Bitcoin reached to newer heights, and that is why you see the kind of gains that I just told you in this video. Point number two is, while Bitcoin and Ethereum were well-known cryptocurrencies at the start of the year, a host of new coins came into the market. These were Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, even Squid Game had its own cryptocurrency for that matter. Now understand the volatility of this. Squid Game generated 1000% returns in a gap of half an hour, and in the next 5 minutes, the wealth destroyed by 80% in a span of 5 minutes. That's how volatile these new coins are. So again, a lesson to be learned here is, while the gains might look to be disproportionate, the risk element here is extremely high. So be watchful, be cautious, and invest only limited amounts in cryptocurrencies. The third point is regarding regulation of cryptocurrencies. Now understand this. In India, SEBI is the regulatory authority for the Indian stock market, which means that if anything goes wrong, SEBI is the one who is going to protect the rights of investors like you and me. But for cryptocurrencies, there is no such regulatory or governing body. Even RBI has raised concerns on money laundering due to cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrencies posing a huge threat to the financial system as well. Now, while there may not be enough clarity on all these points right now, but there is a good chance that India might come up with its own regulatory mechanism for crypto coins. And trust me, it's only going to be beneficial for investors who have pumped a lot of money into cryptocurrencies. Because today, if something goes wrong in those asset classes, there is going to be no one who will protect the money that you have put in these asset classes. Then the fourth and the major highlight that we saw towards the end of 2021 was the sudden growth of non-fungible tokens, which is NFTs. Digital art forms backed by blockchain gained a huge prominence in the market, to the extent that a digital artwork in US got sold for $70 million. Now the growth of NFTs in the last quarter of 2021 has been disproportionate, but still in 2022 it remains to be seen how regulatory frameworks around NFTs are going to come up. So these are the broad highlights for cryptocurrencies in 2021. I do expect that India does need a regulatory framework for 2022 to protect the rights of its investors. Till then, if you are an investor into cryptocurrencies, just make sure that you invest limited amount. Do invest in coins that are widely acclaimed and widely recognized and accepted, such as Bitcoin or even Ethereum. But always remember that cryptocurrency is a highly volatile asset class. So if you are someone who can't take the pressure of handling the ups and downs that cryptocurrencies come with, please stay away from such an asset class. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe to Finance Lens and I'll see you the next time.